Today I'm going to show you how to create these stop motion arrow effects in After Effects. But if you'd rather just download them and don't want to make them yourself, I have a pack of 20 of them available on my website for you to download. But without further ado, let's get started. Once you're in After Effects, enable your stroke and disable your fill by alt-clicking. Then draw whatever arrow you want. I'm going to draw this circle arrow here like this. So there's the arrow that I want to animate. So the first thing we're going to do is add trim paths. So hit this drop down arrow here, go to add, trim paths, then open the drop down menu and trim paths, hit a keyframe under end at the beginning of your timeline, and then make it 0. Go forward just a few frames, and then make that end keyframe 100. So you should have something that looks like this. It's a little too fast for me right now, so we're going to extend it just a few. Shift F9 to ease it. Perfect. So that looks just how I want it to, and it's animated nicely. All right, then we're gonna hit T to open up opacity. We're gonna alt-click the stopwatch. Then you're gonna type this into the code box or copy and paste it from my description. Then what we're gonna wanna do is duplicate our shape layer about 10 times, and then go layer by layer and offset it just slightly. They're all at random values, so they might not be shown up in the specific frame, but we want to just barely offset them so it looks kind of like scribbles. Don't offset them too much. Like something way over here, that's going to be way too much. We just kind of want to overlap them. And a good idea would be on the ones that aren't appearing right now in this frame to overlap them over ones that are already made so that you don't accidentally spread them out way too much. All right, let's take a look at what we got. And I think that looks pretty good. And that's how you create a stop motion arrow in After Effects. If you like what you see here, I have a pack of 20 of them linked in my description on my website. Otherwise, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow for another video.